Today we dive into an unprecedented challenge: the assembly of the FORZA Hercules, one of the largest laser cutting machines in Mexico. A true colossus designed to redefine the metalworking industry. But before this beast comes to life, there's a path few people know about. Are you ready to discover it? We're not talking about just any machine. The Hercules is a true beast of engineering. A 10 by 33-foot work area, configurable power ranging from 20,000 to 60,000 watts, and a cutting capacity of 1.5 inches in mild steel, with a critical limit of up to 2.5 inches. A giant that only a few dare to assemble. But to make it work perfectly, every piece has to fit with millimetric precision. And to achieve that, today we're going to raise its structure and give it its first connection to power. Every millimeter counts. One mistake here, and the entire machine loses precision. Will we manage to assemble it without a hitch? The first step in this process is lifting Hercules' backbone. There's no room for error here. Even a single degree of tilt can affect the accuracy of every cut. That's why we use high-precision laser calibration, alignment tools, and a highly trained team to ensure every piece lands exactly where it's supposed to. First, the anchor plates are placed on the floor, and on top, the leveling feet and the axes are set one by one, making sure they are perfectly leveled and calibrated. After that, the X-axis is placed, and the leveling and calibration process is repeated. Attention! This is important for a giant like this. Only when every component is perfectly in place are they permanently fixed with welding. The leveling feet are welded onto the anchor plates. This step is crucial because once the structure is welded, there's no turning back. So after anchoring the base to the floor, what's next? Order is always important, and organization is everything. The Hercules has hundreds of meters of wiring, and we can't let this turn into a plate of spaghetti. Now this whole system needs a brain to function. And that's where the electrical cabinet comes in. Connection process, transformer, drops the power from 440 volts to 380 volts. Voltage regulator, keeps the energy stable, preventing damaging power spikes. Power supply and chiller feed the cutting and cooling systems. After installing all the peripherals, what should we expect from the Hercules? This Hercules cuts with 20,000 watts of power, and that means a lot of smoke and metal particles in the air. So we install an extraction system that's activated by sensors. How does it work? Frequency converters regulate the extractor's power. Automated doors open only in the area where the cut is happening. Modular system allows efficient extraction without interrupting production. Without this, the workshop would end up looking like a rock concert with fog machines. But without the music. Now that everything's running, what detail is left? Collection trays. It's normal for pieces to fall once the cut finishes, but no worries. We've got the solution. 12 collection carts strategically lined up along the Hercules. Each section of the table has its own collector, allowing continuous production without interruptions. If you thought this was impressive, get ready. Here's where we watch an engineer install this giant machine.